Hey, we're going to put another flight on the Osprey. If you look close, you can see the repairs to the wing. I tried a little darker gray in that spot before I got the good gray, but the rest, this was mushroomed out from hitting Mother Earth one time, so I pulled it all in. There was several cracks in and out that I repaired, but you can see the paint kind of blends it nicely, and she's all in one piece. And it flies good right now. Oh, the spinners. Yeah, I had a spinner issue, so I took them both off and put a couple little pit spinners on that I modified and made work, so it doesn't look quite the same, but it functions fine. A little bit of a breeze this morning. And we have cars and people once again. Both directions. And the way I'm flying it, guys, I back off on the straights. I can come back to half throttle or so, but in the turns I throttle up. That seems to be my success story for not having it dump down into a spiral unexpectedly, even though it always appears to have plenty of speed. It apparently doesn't at times. So I think if you want to have success with this model, keep the power of the throttle up. And I'm going to come off the throttle and hit transition right here. It automatically bumps throttle up with the transition. The other thing I've done is I've gone ahead and adjusted the radio so that I have two positions. I no longer have the airplane stability mode. I've got hover mode and acro mode, because I found myself going into the stability mode when I didn't want to, transitioning back. I had it on actually my flap switch, and that would cause me problems in the long run. Because I would think I was in hover mode, and I actually had only gone to airplane stability mode, and I was close to trees, and you get the idea. It transitions just fine from hover to acro and back. You might get a little wing dip, but easily controllable. Welcome, bird friends.